If you are in need of a 4K security camera, but maybe don't have a spot where you can run power to it, you really should check out this one from REOLINK. This is a 4K camera. Look at how small it is. It has a lot of amazing features, and top it off, you can get a solar panel with it that you can plug in and keep this thing powered on. And since it is wireless, it can connect to your home Wi-Fi network, and you can access all the footage from there and preview it. It has a built-in light, so you can turn that on with motion lights. It has a really nice 4K camera that you can zoom in if you need to, and has a microphone to pick up sound, but also a speaker so you can talk to whoever's on the other side of it. It also has infrared, so it can pick up nighttime footage, whether it's color or black and white, and it is just a crystal clear picture. And with the app, it's super easy to use. Let me just show you what's in here. And since this is weatherproof, you can put your SD card down here, and that way with the SD card you can record locally onto it, as well as other ways that you could save your footage to, like the cloud or on your phone, or get different alerts. Now, I've used REOLINK system for the last 3 years. It's my favorite camera system. Really easy to set up with the app. Just scan some QR codes, and it's really easy to even go back and view it and take a look at different features and change different settings. So one of the easiest ones I've ever used, and I think this is amazing, this camera. There's a lot of places around the house or the office that is impossible to get power to, and so being able to have this combination is perfect, and the clarity is just unmatched. It's so good. So highly recommend this system, and thanks for watching.